Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Etsy to Instagram. So connecting Etsy to Instagram helps you drive traffic and sales from Instagram to your Etsy shop as well. And you will need to know that there is no automatic one-click integration, but you can go with Zapier right here. And then you can go with create. That's after creating an account or signing in with your account or your Zapier account. Then just go with create as I told you and go with Zaps, right? That's the automated workflows tab. So right here, all you need to do is to go with trigger and then just choose or select or look for ACLs first. And I really need to note that you will need to have the premium plan on the Zapier to visualize Etsy right here and choose it. And then you will need to choose the triggers and also to sign in to your Etsy, okay? And after that, you will need to go with action right here and look for Instagram. Okay, Instagram for business, and just select it. And then as I told you, the action event, choose it from here, and then the account, so go with sign in with your account. Also you can add your Etsy link to your Instagram bio as well. And to do that, you will need just open Instagram, then go to edit profile and pass your Etsy link and the website filled, then just save it, and the visitors can click directly to your Etsy shop from your bio. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.